Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we are here with a get ready with me for date night, but it's going to be actually a little bit of a different date night. We're going to a Raptors game. To start off, we are heading right into the shower and I'm just soaking my hair, getting ready for some shampoo. I think I'm gonna curl my hair tonight, so I always like to wash my hair and do a shampoo and a conditioner just to make sure that my hair is really luscious and clean, and the hairstyle just looks much better that way. My pussy precedes me. Why might have a time change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. Moving on to cleansing the body, I'm using the Dove Shea Butter Body Bar. I love using this right before I do anything else. It just gives me that super deep clean just to get everything started, and I just love the way it makes my skin feel. It is really nourishing on the body. Moving on to body wash, I'm using the Olay Shea Butter. I have not used this in a very long time, but every time I use it, I remember why I always used it. I just love this body wash. It smells so good and it's a very light scent, and we're just scrub-a-dub-dub the body to make sure we are all good to go. Repeating the same process on the feet and on the legs. Don't forget about the soles of your feet and your toes. So we're just gonna rinse that all off right now. We're gonna get ready for some shaving cream. I'm using the EOS Shea Butter Shave Cream. This is honestly amazing. This is in the scent Vanilla Bliss. It is a no foam shaving cream, and I just love how it doesn't irritate my skin. It makes it very easy for me to shave the parts that I need to, and it's very quick and easy. Moving on to the last step, I'm using the Mango and Orange Sugar Scrub. I absolutely love this product, you guys. I got it from Winners, and I don't know what it is, but the scent is just so amazing. I love how this makes my skin feel. It makes my tattoo super vibrant as well. I'm just gonna do some foot filing because I have been in the shower for a long time and I like to leave this step for last. This is so satisfying. I just had to show you guys. Moving on to hair care, I've been using the same 3 products for literally months. They are just my go-to products. Starting off by just brushing my hair and getting ready for the products, I'm going to be using my Tresemme Heat Tamer Spray, and then moving into the Dove Miracle Mist, and then we're going to use the OGX Argan Oil Dry Mist, and then we're going to brush it all through again. My money long. I just recently got this product. This is the Lancome Anti-Aging Cream. And right after that, we're going to use the Lancome Triple Serum. Because I want my face to be super tanned underneath my makeup, I'm using the Coco and Eve Tanning Mist. Moving on to makeup, I'm using the Lancome Primer and Moisturizer Sunscreen. I'm just going to be doing my everyday makeup look. It's not going to be super dramatic or anything. I have been using a couple new products, so I will share that with you guys. We're moving into my Maybelline Superstay Activewear Foundation. Now I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty Fox Filter Under Eye Color Corrector. This is in the shade Peach. I took all I could take for so long. For my concealer, I'm using the Huda Beauty Fox Filter Concealer. This is in shade 3.5 Sugar Biscuit. Darling, Lord knows I gave you all. No, no money long. Smoke good coffee and eyes. Who even knows your name? For my cream contour, I'm using the Huda Beauty Fox Filter Concealer in a different shade. This is in 5.1 Caramel Corn. I don't know what it is about cream contour. I just love using a concealer to do so. Moving into doing setting powder. This is the Huda Beauty Easy Bake in Pound Cake. Instead of wiping away the baking powder, I'm just going to stipple into the skin just to get the product to absorb all of the concealer. Moving into blush, we're using the Armani Beauty Silk Glow Blush. This is in Dusty Rose. This is probably my favorite brow pencil at the moment. This is the Maybelline Tattoo Brow 36 Hour Brow Pencil in medium brown. Now I'm just going to use the Benefit Cosmetics 24-Hour Brow Setter. Moving on, I'm using the Huda Beauty Glow Wish Micro Mini Eyeshadow Palette. This is in the color Clay.
Hands up high, tell them dim the lights down right.
For my nose contour, I like to use the Benefit Cosmetics Hoola Bronzer.
Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit.
This is still my favorite mascara of all times. This is the Legit Lashes by Huda Beauty. There is a curl side and a volumizing side, so I'm going to go in with the curl side first, and then we're going to finish off with the volumizing side. And then I'm going to be taking the Lancome Lash Idol Mascara. This is brand new. I've never used it. For my highlighter, I'm using the Huda Beauty Obsessions Highlighter Palette. This is definitely my favorite lip combo ever. This is the Lip Contour 2.0 by Huda Beauty. And then I'm going in with the Maybelline lipstick in Nude Lust. And then we're going to top that off with the NYX Butter Gloss in Madeline.
Rule a nation, I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
Since we're going to a basketball game, I wanted to wear something a little bit more street style and like a sneaker vibe. So I decided to wear this super cute blue varsity jacket. I just got it. And I had a super cute oatmeal top that would go really great with the jacket. I'm grabbing a pair of jeans and I'm grabbing my Alexander McQueen's. Moving on to some body care. I do have dry skin, so it's very important that I do moisturize when I get out of the shower before I put my clothes on.
We can leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes.
Now we're gonna move on to my hair. I'm just gonna brush it out and then we're gonna use my blow dryer. This blow dryer is amazing, you guys. It's from Amazon. It's like a Dyson dupe and it is actually the best thing I own. Now I'm just going to be using my curling wand and we're going to curl my hair. I get this question all the time about how I curl my hair and I always use a curling wand. I find it's the easiest way. I will show you guys the result in the end. I'm gonna finish this look off with some jewelry, and this is from my brand, which is Season. I'm wearing the Amelia big hoops, and these are like zirconia diamond hoops. They are super cute. And then for my necklace, I'm wearing the necklace stacks. I'm gonna pop on that varsity jacket, and then we're gonna move on to my fragrance. I'm using the K. Ali Rose Ode. This is her new fragrance that just dropped. And to complete the look, I'm putting on my Moncler side bag that I wear literally all the time. So this is the completed look. I thought that it was super cute and perfect for a basketball game.
Now you come into my yard uninvited. When you see me on the edge, I'm not.
We finally got to the game at Rogers Arena. This was our first time at a basketball game and we were sitting courtside. The experience was amazing. So that is the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you guys in my next one.